Good morning, children. In previous class, you learned about parts of a plant. Plant part which grows above the ground is called shoot or stem. The part of a plant which grows below the ground is called root. The shoot of a plant bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. About this you learnt in previous class. Now you are going to learn about roots and the types of roots and the function of roots. Roots. Roots grow below the soil. Roots grow below the soil. Roots have mainly two types. Roots have two types of roots are there. Roots are mainly two types. Taproot and fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. What is taproot and what is fibrous root? Taproot. In some plants, one main root grows from the end of the stem. Look here, children. This is main root. This is stem. Look here, children. From end of the stem, one main root grows in some plants. This main root is called taproot. And several small roots grow from this main root only. Several. So many another small roots grow from this main root. Example of this taproot. Taproot examples are the bean and mustard. Bean and mustard. These two are the examples of taproot. Why? Because it means in bean and mustard, the one main root grows from the end of the stem and several small roots grow from this main root only. So bean and mustard are the examples of this taproot. Now the second type of root is the fibrous root. Some plants have numerous roots, number of roots growing from the base of the stem. Look here, children, this is the ground. From base of the stem, look here, children, this from base of the stem, in some plants, numerous means number of roots grow from the base of the stem. Such roots are called the fibrous roots. In some plants, numerous roots grow from the base of the stem. This is stem, children. The plant stem, these are the roots. So the roots grow from the base of the stem only. Such roots are called the fibrous roots. Examples of these fibrous roots are grass and onion. These two are the examples of fibrous root. Understand, children? Taproot means only one main root grows from the end of the stem and several small root grows from the main root. That is taproot. Examples bean and mustard. Fibrous root means number of numerous roots grow from the base of the stem. Such roots are called the fibrous roots. Examples of fibrous root are grass and onion. Understand, children? Types of roots. Now, functions of the root. Functions of the root. The roots Roots help fix the plant. Roots help fix the plant firmly in the soil. Without roots, there is no plant. So it can't stand erect. So roots help fix the plant in the soil. Now, what is the second function? Means roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. So roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. And some roots of the plants, such as carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip, these all are roots of the plants only. So these are called the edible roots. Edible means we are eating direct the roots only. Carrot is the root, we are eating that only. Beetroot is the root, we are eating that only. So roots of some plants such as carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot, these are these all are the strong and they store the food in the roots only. So these are called the edible roots. Understand, children? Functions of the root. Understand? Roots help fix the soil, fix the plant in the soil. Roots help fix the plant in the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. And some edible roots are there. What are those? Means carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot, these all are store their food in the roots only. These roots only we are eating, that's why they are called the edible roots. Understand, children? So today's homework is, now activity is there in page 42. In page 42, children, activity is there. What is that activity? Means take one onion and take one glass and fill the glass with water. Okay, na? Fill the glass with water and then keep this onion on the water and on the glass, that base of that onion bulb should be touched to the water. So keep that glass then outside or in the window. After few days, if you observe, then you can see the roots under that onion bulb. So you have to do this activity and read lesson 5. Read lesson 5 page 41 and 42.